Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to fix Android Auto not working. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if Android Auto here is not working for you, generally speaking, it's not working properly, well, there are a few things that you could try doing here. Now, the first thing that you want to try here is you want to make sure that Android Auto is fully updated. So you want to open up Google Play Store here, look for Android Auto, and if you do see any update button on it, go ahead and click on update and just wait for it to fully update. Now, once it's actually updated, next thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that your phone is also updated. So you want to go to settings here, open up settings, and you want to go to about phone. And if you do see any update option here for your phone, go ahead and update that. Now, once the update is complete, restart your phone and see if that helps. Now, sometimes speaking here, the version that you currently have right now for Android Auto may not be compatible with your the current version of your phone. So in this case, updating them can solve a lot of issues. Now, next thing that you want to do is you want to check if Android Auto is actually connected to your vehicle. So you want to go to settings here and you want to type in Android Auto, and you want to go ahead and choose Android Auto. I want to click on Android Auto here. And again, you want to make sure that a vehicle is connected here. Sometimes your Android Auto is not yet connected to any vehicle here. So in this case, go and connect that and see if that helps. But if it's already connected, it is suggested that you disconnect your vehicle and reconnect it again and see if that helps. So in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video is able to help you like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.